On this episode of Clever Clips, we're going to talk about several, and what we're going to specifically talk about is clips that engage into our AXIOM product families. We're going to start off with a standard clip called the AXTBC clip. The AXTBC clip will ship with all AXIOM products, AXIOM Classic, AXIOM Vector, and AXIOM Knife Edge. It is also used in our pockets and our light coves to connect our grid to our AXIOM pockets and or light coves. Now, the AXIOM AXTBC clip is used for lay-in tile and tegular tile and full-size module vector panels, right? So this is a universal clip when we're dealing with our AXIOM product families. Now, if you have a cut vector tile with either AXIOM Classic or inverted AXIOM Vector, you would then go to an AXV TBC. So an AXV TBC is used only in AXIOM Classic and inverted AXIOM Vector where you have a cut tile, okay? Now, because we have these products, also note that in our AXIOM Classic, our standard AXTBC clip, we also have an aluminum AXTBC clip. Obviously, for some reason, if you are in an MRI area or a place where you cannot have a metallic product that's magnetic, we do make this in an aluminum version as well. Now let's keep that going. In some of our systems, like our slip joint and or a transition piece, we also are going to have an AXCCLT clip. Now this is a real nice clip. It uses your lineman pliers. You come in and you grab this, and it's a twist-in piece to where the AXTBC clip will have a screw adjustment. Now, one nice thing about that AXCCLT clip is once you engage it, it's real easy to take your lineman pliers and bump it left or right to get your grid square with this, okay? Now, because of seismic conditions and those areas where we need to float and or positively attach, we also have what is called the Burke AX. Now again, very similar to the AXCCLT clip. It's a twist-in visual, but we have an elongated slot as well as positive or a round hole. So the two positive sides lock into the round hole, and for those floating sides, the elongated slot. Let's say you have AXIOM and you want to use it in a specialty sealing system. All right, so we have maybe a 3 1/4 inch Woodworks grill product, and we want to encapsulate the entire grill with a piece of 8-inch AXIOM. We're going to order black AXIOM, but what we need to do is we need to be able to elevate the grid line up to encapsulate all of that. Thus, we have the adjustable trim clip, the ATC. Now, the adjustable trim clip is a problem solver. It works with all of our AXIOM families. It works with AXIOM Classic 6-inch and taller because of the throat that it needs to move up and down. This piece that is our grid connector piece moves up in 1/8 inch increments. And the way that we do the 1/8 inch, it's actually 1/4 inch on the screw, but then you can take your snips in here and you can cut off an 1/8 inch reveal on the bottom of it to move this in 1/8 inch increments. Or we can move this entire clip into the different embosses on the back of AXIOM. Okay, so the adjustable trim clip will work with our specialty sealing systems with AXIOM on a floating condition. So on your next floating conditions where you need AXIOM or a trim, know that there are options. If you are not using ProjectWorks into your system to where they pick those clips for you so you know exactly what to use, understand that there is a lot of option in the world of grid connector clips dealing with our AXIOM product families. Look for it on your next project.